My name is Brian Murphy. I'm an attorney here in the Denver area. Currently, we're located just west of Denver in Wheat Ridge. I've been practicing on the plaintiff side in civil litigation since 2001. I started off my career in law as a medical malpractice defense attorney. And after a couple of years, I figured there were a lot of good lawyers defending doctors, and they didn't necessarily need my help. I thought I could be more helpful on the plaintiff side. So I switched and ran Brian A. Murphy & Associates for many years. Then I decided to try working for one of the big firms for a while and see if I could like that and like handling larger, more complex cases, and I really did enjoy that for a while, but I like the personal attention that I could give in a smaller firm. So in 2013, I started the Murphy Law Firm where I can do that, where we can handle complex and serious cases, but also handle them in a personal and one-on-one manner, so you don't feel like you're on an assembly line when you're a client. I really like the opportunity it gives me to help people. That's why I went into law in the first place. I enjoy being able to represent common, normal people when they have to deal with a very complex and formal legal system that is not built to accommodate normal people. So I think I am able to bridge that gap well and let normal people play on an even playing field with even the largest companies in the country, which we sue routinely. Most plaintiffs' firms look for the easy case and then they try and gear up when they get a difficult case. Having come from the background that I come from in medical malpractice and in complex commercial litigation, I got to take the other approach. I take the very serious approach and complex approach to every case. And then if it's easy, then we settle it quickly and that's no problem. But we're always prepared for any complication that comes along so that we can handle them much more effectively when they do arise. Because the same approach works in different areas. We can handle a car accident case, we can handle an ownership dispute in a small company, we can handle a subcontractor or contractor dispute in a construction case, because all of the same principles are at play. And so if you take an approach like this could become a complex case at any moment and apply it to all of those cases, it works really well. If a client chose to hire me or Murphy Law Firm to represent them, first thing we would do is we'll talk about what's going on with their life, what's their case about, and how we can help. And we'll formulate a plan for what's the best way to address this, given their specific needs. And then, assuming we agree to work together, next thing we do is we have a specific set of procedures that we follow to make sure that we're getting all of the background material, and we collect all the records that we need, and we make sure that we have a good grasp on what the situation is so that we don't miss anything in formulating our plan. And then we put that plan into action, whether that's doing a demand to an insurance company, whether it is filing a lawsuit against a company or an insurance company or an individual. Whatever is appropriate for that situation. That's what will happen next. We keep people informed along the way. I'm always available to talk, so they can call and talk to me whenever they need to. When people come in and they're frustrated and they don't know what to do, and we can, first of all, make them feel better right away, saying, we do know what to do, and we know how to handle that problem, and it's going to be okay. And here's what you can expect, and lay out the general parameters for them. But then in the end, resolve the problem for them in a way that they like, that's good for them. So they're better off when they leave than when they walked in. That's always our goal, and we've been successful at doing that.